What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another one of my Air Force One customs. If you have seen my previous videos, you already know how much passion, effort, and dedication I put into my shoes. So this video is not going to be anything below. Matter of fact, I actually think this video and these customs are actually going to be even a higher scale compared to my other videos. Now, for this specific custom, I didn't exactly come up with an idea. I was more or less given an idea and I just created them. These specific customs are for a customer, so I gotta give him some form of credit for the creativity that he came across and the idea that he wanted me to actually paint on the shoes. Now, this particular video is going to be quite intensive, not necessarily long, but quite intensive. So I'm going to cut this video short, but before we get into the customization, I wanted to ask you if you can like this video. If you do like this video and like these customs I'm going to show, I wanted you to please subscribe because it does help me and let me grow the channel. If you do like my customs and you do see how much passion I put into them, I really do like it. Please do leave a comment because that gives me an indication of what to do next, what to switch up. If you watched my previous video, you would have realized that these customs are going to be the next video, which is this video, and then the next video after that, which might drop up in the next 2 weeks. I'm trying to keep these videos really, frequent, but if you're going something as detailed as these, you get them when you get them. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video.
Flesh wounds bigger than you. Funny how they are when I watch my stats, but they get around a mile in my shoes. If only you knew exactly what I brother been through. Make you really wanna roll up, get high, sip into the bottle, see through. If only you knew how much they pay for your silence, how much of all of that money you saved to put on your brother consignment. How did you sleep through the violence? You just get used to the sirens. You just got stuck in the cycle now. They look at you like it's my fault. May not have been in a place to save you. All I can offer is guidance. Nights we were wrecking the mileage. You used to whip with no license. I'm riding around with that regular. What we were serving was science. Clearer than water with diamonds. We had the whale up beside it. Fuck up the re-up on ego. I know the industry evil. I know a couple of devils in Prada tuxedos. I know they see us like Negroes. Still we came through with that black and white. Seeing numbers like we kneel. Doing numbers like casino. But all that love in a placebo. Energy switch up, phone don't pick up. Subs on Twitter, blood came thicker. Must be the dope, that made you slow. Even with a change, you were still my nigga. Me on the throne, you see me cooling, you see me shining. You didn't like it, must be a fright. If only you knew I got flesh wounds bigger than you. Funny how they are when I watch my stats, but they get around a mile in my shoes. If only you knew exactly what I brother been through. Make you really wanna roll up, get high, sip into the bottle, see through. Everybody talk, everybody chat, everybody shook, everybody relax. Stand up straight, don't watch face. You don't wanna see, I never rather relapse. Count my steps, clock my pace, jump my grave, but I don't need that. I just want a crown and a world on my back. I just need Riz and a fountain, a jack. Yeah, I heard you cool. Didn't need them in the first place, cool. Didn't see them on my worst day, cool. No, we ain't cool, no, we ain't dunce, no, we ain't done. Man, wanna try, take kindness or fool. Married to the game, prenup the divorce. Can't be friends, man, it's not by force. Can't be them, man, they look forced. Nasty, phone book is looking ghastly. Please don't ever put it past me. You don't want the truth, then why you ask me? Belly empty, think I'm fasting. Turn the heat, I think it's barley. Let my head down, think I'm Marley. Wailing here forever, ever. If only you knew I got flesh wounds bigger than you. Funny how they are when I watch my stats, but they get around a mile in my shoes. If only you knew exactly what I brother been through. Make you really wanna roll up, get high, sip into the bottle, see through. If only you knew. Tell them to keep the same energy. Can't pillow talk with the enemy, that's how I done discovered this jealousy. Cautious, can't lend it into the tokens. Me and my niggas do walk-ups. Leave all they feel like it's autumn, then stay on your mind like a chorus. Yeah, fed up of underachieving. You buy what they're selling, you're dreaming. You don't live from hunger by eating. You get left behind if you sleeping. How much you gave to the preacher? Racking the base with the visa. I got virtue from amnesia, just to get by like Felicia. Energy switch up, phone don't pick up. Subs on Twitter, blood gang thicker. Must be the dope that made you slow. Even with a change, you were still my nigga. Me on the throne, you see me cooling, you see me shining. You didn't like it, must be a project.
If only you knew, I got flesh wounds bigger than you. Funny how they all wanna watch my steps, but they gotta run out of my shoes. If only you knew exactly what I've been through. Make you really wanna roll up, get high, step into the bottle, see through. If only you knew. Trying to be nobody's hero, you know. My heart is 3 below 0 below. Sailing around in Colorado. Show me you can really be your mama's daughter. Cause I ain't trying to be nobody's hero, you know. My heart is 3 below 0 below. Gucci slippers, girl, you poppin', you know. The way you look, I know you got them niggas flocking. Got the Rihanna dress. Now you deserve a nigga with a Kawasaki. Sailing around in Colorado, you know. Show me you could really be your mama's daughter. I ain't tryna be nobody's hero, you know. My heart is 3 below 0, you know. You know I like them ratchet bitches, you know. You know I tell her suck it fresh, she has permission. You know I make them all audition. Oh, 4 naked bitches, this is new edition. No, I was out here riding around. You know, I was only jigging on my part of town. No, I'm gonna need you quiet now. Oh, know you see me ballin', don't go out of bounds. Sailing around in Colorado. Show me you can really be your mama's daughter. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody's hero, you know. My heart is 3 below 0. Girl, you got a bright future. Woo. Then you lookin' nice, girl, the lights suit you. I prefer you naked. If you're heading good, you make a nice tutor. I don't mean no disrespect, you know, but I prefer Shaniqua over Elizabeth. Me, I like the ratchet bitches. Only hit her once a year, that's after Christmas. Sailing around in Colorado, you know. Show me you can really be your mama's daughter. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody's hero, you know. My heart is 3 below 0 below. Sailing around in Colorado, you know. Show me you can really be your mama's daughter. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody's hero, you know. My heart is 3 below 0 below. Oh, 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 oh. 3 below 0, you know. Oh, 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 oh. 3 below 0, you know.
Marvin, what do you make of all this?
Man, I don't even have an opinion.
Well, you gotta have an opinion. I mean, do you think that God came down from heaven and stopped it?
Whole lot of gang shit fucking going on. Bad bitch sliding on a pole in a thong. I don't wanna waste your fucking time, what you want? Niggas, this is everything you ever fucking want. Basic, nigga, that shit basic. Porsche like a spaceship. Welcome to the Matrix. Liquor, can I taste it? Spill it, nigga, waste it. This is just the basics. Show me where her waist is. I'ma buy you cases. Ask me, am I single, a nigga, just a basic. You cannot erase it. You can never trace this. You can never make this. Nigga, here with Macy's. Nigga, here with Macy's. I'm not with the fake shit. I don't Nigga, that shit basic. Porsche like a spaceship. Welcome to the Matrix.